What's going on today, guys? We are tearing up a roof today. We're going to show you why it's super important to take your entire roof down to the bare wood.
So as you guys can see right here, this is down to the bare wood, and George is right over here making decking repairs, bare wood, and this is it roofed already. One of the reasons why we pulled down to the decking, as they call it, to the bare wood, is to expose any rotted areas, just like this one right here. We're about to make these repairs here, right there. The only way to really see if you got any rotted wood is to expose it down to the bare wood, remove everything. If you don't remove it, it's very common in San Antonio that you get contractors or roofers that leave the old felt. We recommend pulling it all the way down to the bare wood. And if you see this right here, sometimes you won't be able to catch this stuff, right? And a lot of people, contractors, roofers, even homeowners, don't want the felt pulled off because it's going to cost a little bit more. But by pulling it off, you'll be able to expose it and see if you got any rotted wood. So if you leave the old felt on, you won't be able to see and inspect the decking. So once it's all pulled off, you'll be able to see exactly where the rotted wood is, like this right here. Like these areas right over here. It's one of the reasons why we recommend pulling it down to the bare wood. Doing so, you'll get a better quality roof. Hope you guys learned something today. See you guys on the next clip. Take care.